Hey, how's everyone doing today? So I just wanted to bring you a quick video. This doesn't have to do with this particular car here, but it does have to do with some Hondas and Acuras. So I wanted to share it with you really quick. It's one of the few times I've seen Honda issue a do not drive advisory for some of its vehicles. Now this particular advisory has to do with the good old airbags here. Now, if you remember, a lot of car companies have issues with the older style airbags. So it's not really any different this time. This has to do with certain models between 2001 and 2003. And it affects a few Honda and Acura vehicles with defective, the Takata driver's side airbag inflators. And Honda right now is telling owners to not drive their vehicles until this recall has been fixed. And here are the cars that it affects. So it's the 2001 and 2002 Honda Accord, 2001, 2002 Honda Civic, 2002 Honda CR-V, 2002 Honda Odyssey, 2003 Honda Pilot, 2002 to 2003 Acura 3.2 TL, and then the 2003 Acura 3.2 CL. And then what they're saying is the reason this airbag recall for these cars that are 20 years old is so important is because the airbags have a 50% fail rate. And we know, I've heard stories, I'm sure you guys have too, that it could be deadly, these things, if you're involved in an accident where one of these actually goes off. They can throw metal shards, shrapnel, all that kind of stuff in your face. And, at that speed and that velocity, it's pretty serious. So I wanted to let you guys know, because I see a lot of these cars driving around still. A lot of the 2001, 2002 Honda Accords, I see them a lot. So they're still on the road, of course. So if any of you guys have one of these older cars, what's good about it is you just call your local Honda dealer, Acura dealer, and they'll look it up at the computer. And if it needs to be replaced, they'll fix it free of charge as well. And then on top of that, to make it easier, because they definitely want to get this fixed, they'll also supply a complimentary loaner or rental car if you need it. So if you need your car, you can't drop it off to get it fixed, they will supply a loaner or a rental car if they don't have any loaners, because some don't. So you can get it fixed. So it's very important. So if you guys are driving one of these cars, definitely call your dealer and see if your vehicle is the one that's affected. And I thought it was pretty interesting as well. You can schedule it with your Acura Honda dealer, or contact their customer service. And as well, owners can also schedule free towing or mobile repair at no additional cost. So if you don't feel safe driving it, especially since Honda's telling you not to drive it, you can get it towed to the Honda or Acura dealer to get it fixed for free. Or they can even send somebody out to your house to fix it. That's all taken care of through the actual dealer. So definitely give them a call and see if you need to get this fixed. Like I said, a lot of these cars, I still see them driving around. So it's definitely an important thing to make sure yours isn't one of them. I think they were saying there's 8,000 or so vehicles that are on the road still. So not a huge number, but of course, if you're one of the 8,000 that have one of these cars, it's very important to check it out. So if you haven't heard of that, definitely call your dealer and they'll let you know what needs to be done to take care of you. So again, I just wanted to share that with you guys. It just came out a couple days ago. So it's I like letting you guys know about these safety features, because sometimes things get lost. If you get a letter in the mail, you don't really read it, think it's garbage or junk mail, whatever it is. So it's good to know this kind of stuff. So hope everyone's doing good up there, staying safe. I appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks again, everybody.